Namaskar, my name is Devyani Bhosle. I am representing SNBP Group of Institutes, Pune. I am here to attend a leadership conference in IIM Kozhikode, a conference led by Dr. Chatterjee. Professor has been amazing. It is one seminar I highly recommend all the leaders out there to attend. Also, I am very grateful for Mingle to have this conference arranged for us, and I'm looking forward for more such conferences. Thank you.
Namaskaram, I'm Dr. Priyanka Mehta. I've come from Greater Noida West for a leadership program at IIM Kozhikode. And I'm so grateful to Mingle for having brought us all together, helping us to rethink, rediscover, revisit our journeys as leaders of schools, which have to be progressive, have to look after teens and children. 2 years of this program here have been revolutionary, I would say. They have been evolving and immersive. I cannot be more grateful to, I don't have words to be grateful to Professor Chatterjee. He has been the highlight of the program, and I'm sure that hands down, he is the guru of all leadership programs as of now. He has helped us to understand who we are, be aware of our own self, our own space, and of course, understand the journey that goes around being a leader of a school. The sessions were beautifully curated, they were connected, and the beauty of their having flown one after the other without letting us feel the transition only talks of the beautifully curated program that this has been. Thank you, Mingle, for bringing us here. And I'm sure that each one of us who has been a part of this program is only too grateful. Thank you, IIM Kozhikode, for being a beautiful campus. I cannot end before I mention about the great business museum that we have witnessed today. It's something that has not to be missed. So if you're in Kozhikode and if you're at IIM, be here for anything that can be. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Ishani. I am representing Shivnadar School, Faridabad. I would like to begin by saying that I am deeply grateful for this opportunity that I received to attend a retreat for potential school leaders from all parts of the country, wherein we spent 2 days of intense discussions and got time to reflect critically on our own practice, talking about challenges and solutions, learning from the best of the minds of the country. Surely it has been a very rewarding experience to learn from such master trainers. I hope that we are able to go back and share our learnings with our own team. Thank you so much.
I am Colonel Puneet Salhotra. I am a veteran from the Indian Army. Post my retirement, I worked with Shivnadar schools at Noida. I work in the capacity of Head of Admin and Operations. I've come here at IIM Kozhikode for the Leadership 4.0 course. The course has been run for 3 days. The Mingle is the agency which has organized the whole course. And the 3 days have been extremely rewarding. It's enriching. It's quite an enlightening course, especially the subject on how to change, what changes the leadership can bring about, and which were conducted by the director himself, Dr. Chatterjee. They were absolutely left us spellbound. It's been, and I go back tomorrow completely more empowered and more enriched. Thank you very much.